Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at two popular accounting software solutions, FreshBooks and Wave Accounting. Both offer a range of features to help small businesses manage their finances, but they each have their unique strengths and challenges. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about pricing. FreshBooks offers a tiered pricing model starting at $15 per month for the Lite package, while Wave Accounting is free. However, Wave charges for certain features like credit card processing and payroll services. So, depending on your needs, one might be more cost-effective than the other. Ease of use is a key factor when choosing accounting software. FreshBooks is known for its intuitive, user-friendly interface. Wave also strives for ease of use, but some users have reported that the platform can be a bit cluttered and overwhelming. Your mileage may vary, so it's worth trying both to see which you prefer. Now, let's discuss invoicing. FreshBooks allows for custom branding, automatic reminders, and recurring invoices. Wave also offers invoicing features, but lacks the ability for custom branding. However, Wave does allow for unlimited invoices, a feature not available in FreshBooks' cheapest plan. Expense tracking is crucial for managing your business finances. FreshBooks allows for automatic expense import from your bank account, while Wave offers receipt scanning in addition to expense tracking. Both have their advantages, so it will depend on your specific needs. In terms of reporting, both FreshBooks and Wave offer a range of reports to help you understand your business finances. However, FreshBooks stands out with more detailed, visually appealing reports. If in-depth reporting is crucial for your business, FreshBooks might be the better choice. Both FreshBooks and Wave offer integrations with other popular business tools. FreshBooks includes integrations with over 100 apps, while Wave's integrations are less extensive. If your business relies on specific integrations, this could be a deciding factor. When it comes to mobile access, FreshBooks offers a fully functional mobile app, allowing you to manage your finances on the go. Wave's mobile app is limited to receipt scanning and viewing reports. If mobile access is important for your business, FreshBooks has the edge here. Customer support is another key consideration. FreshBooks offers phone, email, and chat support, while Wave only provides email support. If having multiple support channels is important to you, FreshBooks might be your best bet. If your business bills clients by the hour, time tracking is crucial. FreshBooks offers a built-in time tracker, while Wave does not offer this feature. This could be a significant advantage for FreshBooks if your business model relies on accurate time tracking. For businesses that deal with physical products, inventory management is essential. Neither FreshBooks nor Wave offer robust inventory management features. If this is a key need for your business, you may need to consider other software options or integrations. When it comes to payroll services, both FreshBooks and Wave offer solutions. FreshBooks partners with Gusto for payroll services, while Wave offers built-in payroll. Depending on your preference for integrated versus separate services, this could influence your decision. Lastly, let's talk about security. Both FreshBooks and Wave take security seriously, employing a range of measures to protect your data. However, FreshBooks goes the extra mile, offering extra security features like two-factor authentication. In conclusion, both FreshBooks and Wave Accounting offer robust, user-friendly solutions for small business accounting. Your choice will depend on your specific needs, pricing preferences, and the features most important to your business. We recommend trying out both to see which works best for you. For